Hey everybody, want to give everyone a little bit of an update. Got some videos we filmed from over the summertime. Still haven't posted them. I was kind of started to edit them. I didn't really like the stuff we were talking about. Just pretty boring. So I just wanted to give you guys more of an update and kind of show you what we got going on now. Let me flip this. So we've got a new shed. You guys haven't probably seen this, but I want to show you kind of what we've been doing. A little bit of an update in here. This order, this is probably one of the busiest weeks we had. I've had period or darn close to it. So this is all fence order that's leaving this week, or this tomorrow actually. 2x4s, 4x4s, and 2 6x6s, and then there's 520 3/4x6s. These are all true 4x4s. Those are regular 1.5 by 3.5s. And we also got order of 6x6s leaving today. Some really nice stuff. And we just been, with the new shed, we've been able to trying to stock some more stuff. It's given us a lot of room to expand and just make bundles. These are all like 3/4x4s, like all of our extra boards. We've just been cutting, making bundles of them. People come pick them up. It's been working out really good. Those are bundles of 100 3/4x4x8s. We got different stacks of miscellaneous, or 3/4x5s back there, so just people can just come and pick out what they want. Some extra beams. We got a ton of really good 12-foot logs. Like this is I think it's 7 inches wide, 12 inches tall, 12 foot long. That's a 7.25 by 7, or not 7.25 by 9.25 by 12 foot. That one wasn't good enough. That was left over from an order from this past week. Miscellaneous stuff, people to pick through. These are orders here. This is an order we just cut to finish one order, 3/4 by 6x10s, 150 of those. These are all 1-inch random widths. There's our customer logs. And then some of the other things we've been doing, we've always done, is sell these seconds bundles. Now these are all just boards that aren't good enough for us to put in orders. They're too small in width. A lot of them have, like down here, has this stuff from where the loggers, their machine, harvesting machine, when it grabs a tree, leaves marks, stuff like that. I'm just trying to get every possible thing I can out of the log. We make these bundles. There's no exact number of boards. It's just a random, or just a rough amount in a bundle. We sell these boards. They're like $1.50 to $2 a board, and we just say their bundles are $2.50 a bundle. That's what we sell them for. A lot of arts and crafts people, whatever. We sell a ton of those. We probably have 10 or 15 of these bundles ordered. Got some live edge slabs here we keep in stock. Most of these were supposed to go to Colorado. I don't think I've ever filmed any of the videos for the Colorado stuff, but that's just more live edge stuff and whatnot. And then these are just more stock boards that we keep. And then the sawmill, the sawmill shed now, we've completely changed around. We're loading it all from the back side of the shed, so that we're not driving out here with the dirty tracks on the skid loader. Front of the shed where people get lumber and everything. We keep it all clean. And then I have this tractor now. I don't know if it's been in any videos or not. Kubota M4 071. Really like it so far. I have it I've been using it to load lumber out here. Tire machine. We're able to keep things a lot more cleaner. Have the skid loader in the dirty loading log, sawdust, dirt, whatever. And we have the tractor to keep clean for loading lumber on the nice rock. Got a lot more to do in the shed. We're waiting on garage doors, tin on the ceiling, lights, everything like that. We got a nice road back in here for the loggers now. Loggers have a new truck that you guys should see. Well, won't see in this video, but the log truck they have in this video that you will see, we're able to hold about twice as much as what they used to be able to on one load. So things been going really good. Let's look inside the sawmill shed. The only bad thing is now sawdust is going inside the shed, but we got the little tractor with a box blade to scrape all that out. But yep, still got a lot to do in here. But that's the new shed. Everything's been going really good. It's already too small. This shed is originally, we made this shed for stuff that's going to be coming out of the kiln. The kiln is not done either. We got a lot of stuff to do. I got a phone call. I'll be right back. All right. So now the video you guys are going to be seeing of us today, I don't think we have much actual cutting video, but I did want to show you guys the orders that we were cutting. So far, it's the 3 largest orders from a single person all at the same time. So it was kind of a whole bunch. It started off to be a big mess, but now everything worked out for the best, and we are cutting directly for this company, and it's been working out really nice. But so we started out, I think the first load, and I'm sure I'll talk about this in the video, I think it was 1,000 or was it 1,200 true 2-inch by 6-inch by 8-foot boards. And then on the next load, we got that one cut. The next load, I think they came for 1,800 2 by 6 by 8s, a full 2-inch by 6 by 8. And then the last load they got was 1,000 true 1 by 6 by 8s. They all picked them up with the semi. We're trying to expand and do the best we can for making bigger trucks and everything, getting in and out. Like when we first started, anyone that's been around from the beginning, I started in high school with a $2,000 Sawmill, cutting for myself with no intentions of ever doing this. And now probably that was in 2016. So how many ever years later, 7 years later now, this is the 3rd sawmill we have now, and things have been just crazy. So thankful for everything we've been able to be a part of, for all these orders and everything that we've having the opportunities to cut. We are just so thankful and blown away by everything we've been able to be a part of. It's a dream. What we're doing now is never would have imagined we would be in the position that we are now. And I have hundreds. The things I want to accomplish still, I'm not even close to being where I want to be, where I'd love to be at. But where I am now, I never would have dreamed I would have ever been. Super thankful to be in this position, and everything's been going very well. I've owned, the next big step is going to be a tongue and groove machine, and to get our kiln going. I have a Nile kiln, dehumidification kiln unit, for probably 2 years now. It's been sitting there. We built the actual container, or the building that it goes in. Only thing I have to do is insulate it and hook everything up. But I kid you not, this has been the busiest. We can't even think about finishing that, and that is all we have to do. But anyways, not complaining at all about work. If I'm staying busy cutting cedar, I don't care about the kiln at all. I hope to, if I don't even ever touch the kiln, I would be okay. If I stay that busy with cutting red cedar, I'm okay with that. But no, seriously, we want to get the kiln going, and that'll be more for walnut slabs. Is the main thing for the kiln. We'll be kiln drying some cedar. We do have requests for kiln dried cedar, and then we'll be hopefully getting the tongue and groove machine. We've been pricing them out. If anyone knows anything about Cantech, and also I'm gonna butcher the name, but Whining. Here's our actual logging company right there with a load of cedar coming in. Into the mill. I have to leave right now for the weekend, but they have a boom on that truck, and they're going to be unloading it, and my dad's there to give them some money. So anyways, super cool, super thankful for everything. Hopefully I'll be able to make some more videos, but guys, I just have been so busy cutting red cedar, taking the time to stop, and I'm sorry to sound like this, but taking a video is not my priority right now, and I think about it all the time. I want to show everything that we are doing to you guys, but it's just been crazy. So thank you guys. I hope you liked this video. Sorry for rambling on forever. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of update and where we're at and how things are going. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Talk to you later. It's gonna be a big log day. We got this load. We got another gooseneck load coming. Probably be close to 220 or so logs today that we'll be buying. And that's a good thing because we're just about out. Alright, we got those unloaded, traded out and everything. Here's the first load, 137. Pretty okay logs. These are kind of their last little bit before they're moving to the next job, so they're just getting kind of things cleaned up. They're a little bit smaller than usual, but they will work just fine for what we're doing. So we'll use them eventually, for sure. Here's our next load. This little gooseneck load. Pretty decent logs most of the time. Alright, well here's all the logs. This is from that gooseneck load there. And I started piling these up, but still quite a few. Some really nice ones over here. There's one. There's a couple really big, nice ones there. So. It's a load of 1,000. Just got them all done this morning. These are heading to Springfield, Missouri somewhere. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today, and we have been working on past probably 2 or so weeks, we've been working on cutting true 2x6s. We started out with an order of 500, and that once we were pretty much done with that order of 500, it turned into 800, and then the 800 turned into 1,000. So I had plans of getting video of all this as we were cutting, just because we're cutting true full 2-inch by full 6-inch 8-foot boards. So we go through logs super quick, and it's pretty cool to see. And there's not very many cuts per log, just the 4 around the outside, or 5 if we have seconds, and then 2 or 3 cuts for the 2 or 3 boards that we're normally getting out of the log. So this goes by pretty quick, but started out with 500, then they added another 200, and then another 200. So things just kept going crazy, and they wanted to come and get them as quick as we could. So everything was just crazy. But now they came and picked up those 1,000 boards, 1,000 true 2x6s last week, and they ordered another 1,600 before they even got here to pick up the first 1,000. So we've been very busy, and we're going to be busy. Probably take us 2 weeks to get the 1,600 boards is kind of what I'm hoping for, but might take a little longer this coming week. Not this week, today's Tuesday, next week is 4th of July, so we got a couple days that are going to be kind of probably messed up, but we're going to get through these as quick as we can. And like I said, we sent the first 1,000 out last week. These are bundles of 100. This is the start of the 1,600 board order we're going to be doing. So this is what they are, basically. Really good looking boards, and there's just bundles of 100. These are 2 bundles of 100 here. So we got 14 more bundles to go, but just got these done this morning and waiting on logs now. We're completely out. These 4x4 logs, and these are my live edge slabs and 8x8 logs. So normally we have big rows of logs here for all the regular stuff, but we are out of those. We got a log load coming here any minute, so waiting on those. I'm going to take this first bundle and set it on top of here, and then scoot them back so we have more room to set some more, and hopefully the logs will be here pretty soon. Here's our logs finally. 1 day late, but supposed to be here yesterday. Their truck broke down, so a little late, but we got some stuff cleaned up yesterday while we were waiting for them. It all worked out good. Of course, it hasn't rained in months, and now it's raining as soon as they get here, but I'm sure it ain't gonna be much. Good looking load of logs. We'll get these unloaded and start cutting again, because we are completely out. It's Friday afternoon now. We are done for the day. Well, I'm done at least. My dad is gonna help a couple of customers load up a few boards this afternoon yet. Friday before the 4th of July weekend, so we're leaving a little early, but everything went really good this week. Our loggers had some problems with their machines, so we didn't get near as many logs as we were hoping to for this coming week, but for the most part, everything went pretty good. Just ran out of logs early, so. But we got just about 500 of the 2x6s cut, and then we got some other stuff here I'll show you. We got these 4 bundles of 100. Those are the true 2x6s we're working on. And then we started another bundle. We only got whatever 10 or 15 more to go. And then this random stuff here is all leaving this afternoon. So, but we got everything all in here lined up. For you, everyone that's interested, this is the Kubota M4, the 071, and then we just got it back. We got it plumbed up for the 3rd function valve on the loader, so we can run the grapple bucket with it. And then the 75-2, first machine I bought, and then we got the 080. We just got the tractor this past November, and it's been working good so far. An LT70 and everything lined up all nice and pretty for the weekend. And we'll be back, I guess, Wednesday. Got a real long weekend, but we need it. It is, I think the heat is like 102 today. We got as many fans as we can have in here going, but still very miserable, so. just getting started loading everything up. 1,600 of these on the semi. I thought we were gonna have more time to take a better video of all this, but things have kind of been rushed. But I'll get some more videos as we go on. Alright guys, here's a big load of 1,600 we've been working on for a long time. We've had it done for a little while, but finally got everything figured up. We've had a little bit of troubles getting everything figured out right at the end, but everything worked out. Bunch of beautiful boards. They're all the full true 2x6x8, which I've said probably 100 times, but heading down to Joplin, Missouri. I thought I was going to get more videos of all this stuff, but ended up kind of being, one thing was, it was kind of a mess, but we got it done. Very thankful for that order, and the order, I guess will be in the same video here. First video was the first order was 1,000 of them, and then this is the rest of them, which is 1,600. Just very thankful for having the work, and hopefully things continue to go good for us. And it's just cool to see all the people you get to meet along the way, and one thing leads to another, and pretty cool to see. So I don't know what we're going to be doing after this, but we'll be doing some, yeah.